Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us move to the next question, number 43, NEET Physics paper 2014. Now students, let us move to the next question, number 43. A radioactive isotope X. So that is isotope X with half-life of this T half equals to 1.4 10 raised to 9 years. Decays to Y, which is stable. Decays to Y, which is stable. So this is unstable or active, and this is stable. A sample of rock from a cave was found to contain X and Y in the ratio 1:7. Sample obtained from rock in the ratio of 1:7. So the active part is 1 and the stable part is 7. So now one part active is left out of 7. So basically 1 is converted to the other. So the active part, I can think of the active part as X divided by X plus Y out of total. How much is active? It is actually 1/8. Okay, out of 8 only one part is active, and then 7 part is already converted. The age of the rock is, what is the age of the rock? Now the age of the rock I will calculate is suppose t time, and that is number of half-lives into t half, 1 half-life. This is the formula I'm going to use. Okay, now from the active part which is 1:8, I write this as 1 divided by 2 raised to number of half-lives. The number of half-lives, so 1/8 also can be written as 2 to the power 3. So if I compare, then I get n equals to 3. I get n is 3. So it is 3 half-lives. So then time t equals to n t half, which is 3 into t half, which is given in the question, which is this one, 1.4 10 raised to 9 years, which is 14 3 the 42, 4.2 10 raised to 9 years. This is the answer to this question. 4.2 10 raised to 9, actually it should be 9 10 raised to 9, all is power 10 raised to 9. It is not 109, it is 10 to the power 9. This is the answer. So this is the question and this is the answer. So basically what we are doing is 1/8. So this 1/8 is the active part, and this active part is equated with 2 to the power n. From here we are getting n is 3, because out of in first half we get 1/2, in second half we get 1/4, in third half we get 1/8. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you very much.